Inquisitor Tannenberg serves as a member of the Ordo Malleus during the era Indomitus, an ancient witchfinder responsible for untold purges of heretics. This uncompromising agent ordered the capture of hundreds of scribes in service to the Adeptus Terra from their scriptorum of St. Garant, with aid from the Sisters of the Order of Our Martyred Lady, incinerating the scriptorum as the captured souls were taken to the excruciation chambers of Nemesis Tessera. Though several formal complaints were lodged to punish Tannenberg for his actions, no censure would be forthcoming. Presenting 300 specimen jars containing the preserved remains of each scribe which had been executed, all bore the mark of mutation, plain for all to see as a stain upon the Administratum's reputation. Destroying all 45 adherents of the Psyker cult, known as the Coven of the Red Moon, none know if this merciless Inquisitor is still active to this day, though doubtless many still feel a shiver run down their spine at the mere mention of his name.